Please hit the button of subscribers and get the bell button. You all time support me see more video in my channel. Thank you. How to care our hair. Some information get here. We like our own hair. Use good quality shampoo and conditioning products. Conditioning is very important to keep it soft and manageable. You can also use products like gel and hairspray to keep the curls in place, but make sure to wash your hair and not leave in these products in for a long time. If you like this video, please hit the button of subscribers and get the bell button. You all time support me see more video in my channel.